Hello everyone, my name is Guorui Xiong. I will present the first part of our presentation, and then Shern Yew Kee will continue to discuss about Euro against US dollar. In the end, Jingyu Lin will talk about US dollar against Japanese yen. Our company has three main objectives. Let's look at the PPT. The first one is making long-term profit. Making long-term profit is the most important objective of our company. If there is no profit, our company cannot operate. The second one is balancing of the currency. As a commercial bank, we should try to make the currency account balanced. And the last one is to be a popular commercial bank. To do this, we will provide an attractive exchange rate so it can bring more customers to our company. As we become more popular, our company will get better and better. In this PPT, we choose two Korean pairs to discuss: Euro in terms of US dollars and US dollars in terms of Japanese yen. Next, my friend Shern Yew Kee will discuss about the Euro against US dollar. Thank you.
Thank you for introducing. I'm Shern Yew, the second speaker. Next, I'm going to discuss about our first pair of currency that we are focusing and trading, which is Europe USD. Is Europe dollars in terms of US dollars. The reason why we choose this pair because it's one of most popular pair. Forex market is a huge and complicated market. There are a lot of pairs and hundreds of currency in the forex market, but Europe USD is one of most traded pair and it has a highest liquidity. Therefore, the fluctuation of the pair will be more stable. So the risk of investing in the pair is easier to manage. Furthermore, it shows the money value of two largest economies in the world. It indicates how the worldwide economy is going. We analyze this pair with both fundamental and technical analysis. Next, the graph shows the price of Europe USD in the recent 3 years. There was a significant drop in 2015 due to Brexit, but after the adjustment, Euro against USD is rising rapidly in the few years, showing a long-term bullish trend. It creates a new high currently and the support level is still working well at 1.21. The volume of holding Europe dollars is more than US dollar. It tells Europe dollars is more attractive to the investor. In fundamental analysis, we find that the inflation rate in Europe June is lower than the expected. The economy is getting better in Germany, which shows that the largest economy in Europe is strong enough to subdue inflation. There are indifferent interest rates between the two large economies in the world. US has a lower unemployment rate than Europe. To conclude, we expect that the price will be increasing in the future, although fundamental analysis is showing US dollar is stronger and everyone knows US is rising interest rate. And US dollar is becoming value asset, but we believe in a trading code, trading with the trend, therefore we choosing to long the pair with the technical analysis. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jingyu Lin. I will talk about the US dollar in terms of Japanese yen. US dollar against Japanese yen is one of the most traded pairs in the forex market since it features a low bid and ask rate and exceptional liquidity. As the most liquid currency country in Asia, Japan has a strong relationship with America. The establishment of US-Japan alliance makes economic strongly relative between these two countries. So this is why we choose USD against Japanese yen as our observation. As we all know, America has been fighting a trade war with China, starting with imposing 25% duties on steel imports from China, in which there is no change of March import of America comparing to that of February. Based on exchange rate determination, if the import of America goes down, it will drag down the supply of US dollars. As can be seen from the diagram, the supply line will shift to the left, which the equilibrium exchange rate of US dollar will rise. Therefore, I forecast US dollar will appreciate in the upcoming months, as well as the price of US dollars against Japanese yen. On the other hand, based on technical analysis, we will look at long-term moving average since our objective is to make long-term profit. From the figure of 100 days moving average and 200 days moving average, we can observe that they are below the spot rate recently, which represents there is an increasing trend of the price of USD against Japanese yen. In overall, we forecast USD will appreciate in terms of Japanese yen. It's more attractive of US dollars in two ways pricing currencies. Therefore, we suggest investors to long USD and short Japanese yen in order to make long-term profit. So these are the reference of our presentation. Thank you for your attention.